Do you want to speak English more confidently? Do you want to practice English while feeling like you're in a real cafe? Today, I will guide you through a relaxing and fun English practice for 25 minutes. Listen, repeat, and enjoy. Let's begin now. Welcome to Glow Up English, Day 16. Practice with me for 25 minutes and improve your English speaking skills. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Remember, slowly, clearly, and confidently. You will feel more confident in English after this lesson. You walk into a cozy cafe. The smell of coffee and fresh bread fills the air. You see a friendly barista behind the counter. The cafe is quiet and soft music is playing. You take a seat near the window. People are chatting softly. Some are reading books, some are working on laptops. The sunlight comes through the window. Take a deep breath. The atmosphere is relaxing. You feel happy to be here. You look at the menu. There are coffees, teas, and pastries. You decide to order a cappuccino. You say to the barista, "I would like a cappuccino, please." The barista smiles and replies, "Of course. Would you like a croissant with it?" You nod. Take a sip of your cappuccino. It's warm and delicious. You feel comfortable. You feel ready to practice your English. Let's practice useful cafe phrases. I would like a cappuccino. I would like a cappuccino. Could I have a croissant, please? Could I have a croissant, please? What time do you close? What time do you close? I enjoy reading here. I enjoy reading here. The atmosphere is relaxing. The atmosphere is relaxing. Repeat each phrase slowly. Repeat after me. Speak clearly. Let's talk about daily life in English. I like this cafe. I like this cafe. I enjoy spending time here. I enjoy spending time here. I feel happy when I practice English. I feel happy when I practice English. The coffee tastes amazing. The coffee tastes amazing. I am excited to explore new places. I am excited to explore new places. Say each sentence aloud. Feel confident while speaking. Imagine you are in the cafe. Imagine you are talking to yourself or a friend. You notice a small bookstore near the cafe. You decide to visit after finishing your coffee. You pick up a novel and read the first page. The words are interesting. You smile. You imagine sharing this story with your friend. I found a great book today. It's very interesting. I love reading novels in cafes. The weather is nice and the coffee is perfect. Practice these sentences. Speak slowly and clearly. Feel the rhythm. Feel natural while speaking. Now, let's repeat all the important phrases. I would like a cappuccino, please. I would like a cappuccino, please. Could I have a croissant? Could I have a croissant? I enjoy spending time here. I enjoy spending time here. The coffee tastes amazing. The coffee tastes amazing. I feel happy when I practice English. I feel happy when I practice English. Say each sentence aloud. Feel confident. Repeat slowly. This is how native speakers sound. After a few minutes, someone walks into the cafe. They look around for a place to sit. They notice the empty chair near your table. They smile and ask politely, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" You smile back and say, "No, it's free. Please sit." They sit down with their coffee. They seem friendly. Soon you start a small conversation. Now repeat these sentences. Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Please sit. Please sit. This cafe is very comfortable. This cafe is very comfortable. I like spending time here. I like spending time here. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. The person looks around and says, "This cafe is really nice." You nod and reply, "Yes, I love the atmosphere here." They take a sip of coffee and smile. "The coffee is amazing." You agree. "Yes, it tastes wonderful." Repeat after me. "This cafe is really nice. This cafe is really nice. I love the atmosphere here. I love the atmosphere here. The coffee tastes wonderful. The coffee tastes wonderful. Take your time, relax and repeat." The person asks you a question. "How is your day going?" You think for a moment. "My day is going well. I just wanted to relax and enjoy a good coffee." They smile and say, "That sounds like a perfect morning." Repeat these sentences. My day is going well. My day is going well. I wanted to relax. I wanted to relax. This is a perfect morning. This is a perfect morning. Speak confidently. The conversation continues. They ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" You answer, "I like reading books and visiting cozy cafes." They smile. "That sounds very relaxing." Repeat after me. I like reading books. I like reading books. I enjoy quiet cafes. I enjoy quiet cafes. Reading helps me relax. Reading helps me relax. Take a deep breath. Repeat slowly. You both sit quietly for a moment. The cafe is warm and peaceful. Soft music plays in the background. People are chatting softly. You take another sip of coffee. You feel calm. You feel happy. Sometimes simple moments like this are the best. Now repeat these sentences. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I enjoy practicing English. I enjoy practicing English. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. Practice every day. Practice every day. You are doing great. You finish your coffee, you stand up and walk to the counter. You say to the barista, "Thank you, the coffee was wonderful." The barista smiles. "You're welcome. Have a great day." You walk outside. The sun is shining. You feel relaxed and confident. And you feel proud because today you practiced your English. Before leaving the cafe, the person at your table asks, "Do you live in this city?" You smile and answer, "Yes, I live not far from here." They nod. "That's nice. This area is very beautiful." You look out of the window. The street really looks charming. Small shops, trees along the road, people walking peacefully. It feels like a perfect place to spend the morning. Now repeat these sentences. Do you live in this city? Do you live in this city? I live not far from here. I live not far from here. This area is very beautiful. This area is very beautiful. Take your time. Speak slowly and clearly. The person continues the conversation. Do you like traveling? You smile. Yes, I love traveling. They look interested. What is your favorite place to visit? You think for a moment. I really enjoy visiting small towns and cozy cafes. They laugh softly. That sounds wonderful. Repeat these sentences. I love traveling. I love traveling. My favorite places are small towns. My favorite places are small towns. I enjoy cozy cafes. I enjoy cozy cafes. Speaking English can be fun. Speaking English can be fun. You tell a short story. Last year, I visited a beautiful city. There were many small cafes. The streets were full of music and friendly people. I spent hours walking and exploring. The person smiles. That sounds like an amazing trip. Repeat these sentences. Last year I visited a beautiful city. Last year I visited a beautiful city. The streets were full of music. The streets were full of music. I spent hours exploring. I spent hours exploring. Traveling makes life interesting. The person asks another question. Why are you practicing English? You answer honestly. I want to speak English more confidently. They nod with understanding. That's a great goal. You smile. Yes, and practice helps a lot. Repeat these sentences. I want to speak English confidently. I want to speak English confidently. Practice helps me improve. Practice helps me improve. Every day I learn something new. Every day I learn something new. Confidence grows with practice. You both finish your coffee. The conversation feels friendly and warm. Sometimes a simple conversation with a stranger can make your day better. You feel grateful for this small moment. Learning English is not only about grammar, it is about communication. It is about connecting with people. Repeat these sentences with confidence. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Every day I improve a little more. Every day I improve a little more. Speaking English is becoming easier. Speaking English is becoming easier. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Keep practicing. You are doing great. You stand up from the table. You smile and say goodbye. Nice meeting you. The person replies, Nice meeting you too. Have a wonderful day. You walk outside. The fresh air feels nice. You feel relaxed. You feel motivated. And most importantly, you feel confident speaking English. Great job today. You practiced English listening, speaking, and pronunciation. This is the best way to improve your English naturally. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, write a comment in English, subscribe to Glow Up English, and keep practicing with me every day. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye and keep speaking English.